What's wonderful about this world is that everyone is different. And that's what makes you so amazing, is that you're different from everyone else. No two living creatures are alike. We are all rare and precious treasures in this universe. You are meant to be in this world because you were individually created. Simple as that. You are a beautiful and ingenious creation. Think of all the remarkable functions that your body and mind can do every second. It's just magnificent, and you're just wonderful. Your whole being is fabulous, from the very top of your head to the little freckle on your face, right down to the very tips of your toes. The universe spent many hours of time and thought into making up every single cell of your entire wonderful being. Your vital organs that function perfectly every day. Your brain, nerves, and legs that move you from place to place. The hundreds of emotions that allow you to experience love, happiness, joy, and contentment. And let's not forget your remarkable senses that give you the opportunity to see, hear, taste, touch, and smell. Every minute detail of your being was created in a certain one-of-a-kind way because it made wonderful you. That's what makes you a truly special and unique individual. Enjoy that terrific thought. All too often, we are told about all of the things that are wrong with us and what we need to fix. So right now, I'd like you to take a moment to imagine yourself standing in front of a glowing mirror with healing white light surrounding it. See your image in the magical looking glass. Carefully observe all of the unique physical qualities about you and try to find several that you like. Gather your thoughts and focus only on what you like about you. You see your beautiful self. Each of these qualities is an important aspect of your being. They are what make you special and different from everyone else. That's a wonderful thing. You're just fine the way you are. Slowly lift your arms and wrap them around yourself, giving your beautiful body a warm, loving hug. And say these words as you continue to imagine looking at your image in the mirror. I am different, and that's okay. I love myself just the way I am. I like who I am. Continue to relax and take in all of these wonderful and healing words. Love and accept yourself exactly as you are. You are a wonderful person and have many special qualities about you. You are talented and creative and are good at doing many things. It's okay to be the lovely individual that you are. Being unique is a great thing. That's what you are, unique and lovely. You were created in a marvelous way. Every part of you is one of a kind and precious. Let go of any thoughts of self-doubt. You have an inner strength to do anything wonderful that you set your mind to. Creativity flows throughout you. All of your talents can be easily realized and expressed because you know that you can achieve anything you want. You are able to love yourself for who you are. You accept yourself and all of the wonderful and different qualities about you. You are worthy of receiving good things in your life. You deserve to be happy, loved, and content. You release any doubt. Let go of it. You are worthy of great things. You're really something special. You have the power to be terrific in every aspect of your life. You are you. Don't compare yourself to others. It's a waste of time. Just stay on your good path and go for your dreams. Be your wonderful self. Be your true self. Repeat the following phrases with me. I believe in me. I believe in me. I believe in me. I'm a good person, and I do the best I can. I'm a good person, and I do the best I can. I'm a good person, and I do the best I can. You enjoy who you are, and allow your radiant energy to spread to everyone around you. People like you because you're a pleasant person to be around. You are likable, kind, and interesting. There is a kind and loving energy that surrounds you, protecting and nurturing you at every moment. You allow yourself to shine, being free to express yourself in a successful and confident way. You realize it's okay to let your natural, positive feelings soar. You don't care what anybody else thinks. You are respectful of yourself and others in your life. By doing that, this makes you a true winner. You express yourself easily and effortlessly. Life is easy and simple for you because you approach every situation in a positive way. Feelings of self-worth and love flow throughout your entire being, filling you with personal power to succeed in every aspect of your life. You are special. You are unique. You are wonderful. You are beautiful. You are different, and that's just fabulous. You are loved and cherished for who you are. You accept your beautiful self and are always the best that you can be. Your best is your personal best. You have so many amazing qualities about you that the world would love to experience. You have the confidence now to express them in the best and kind way that you know how. Being successful inside means being spiritually, emotionally, and physically fulfilled. You are successful because you are here on this earth and are blessing all of us with your wonderful presence. Thank you. You're an amazing creation. Always remember that. Embrace your individuality every single day. Thank you for joining me, ladies and gentlemen. Have a wonderful evening. Goodbye.